A couple of videos ago, I made this doorway garland with jumbo ornaments, and now I want to make one over here, but with vintage looking bells. I'm on it and I'm going to DIY these bells out of pop cans. And here are my cans, and the first thing I need to do to turn these into bells is to cut off the top, the part where the tab is. Once I cut the cans, it could be sharp, so I am going to put on gloves. All right, it's pretty jagged, so I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. Because this edge is sharp, I'm going to fold it over, but it'll also give me a cute little rim. The edge is safe, so now I can work on making this more into a bell shape. So grab a wooden spoon and kind of poke out the bottom. Easier said than done. So I either overestimated my strength or underestimated the strength of the bottom of the can. So I have moved on to hammer and stick. Much better and kind of fun. So I muted the mic because of all the hammering and banging. Then I kind of forgot to turn it back on. So it's time for voiceover Anna. These cans dome really nicely, and I like the hammered effect on the top. Adds to the vintage vibe I'm going for. As for the fastener at the top of the bells, I picked up some metal rings from the plumbing section. The package says crimp rings if you want to buy them. I think hot glue is perfect for securing the rings on the dome because it sets quickly. The cans are really light, so even though hot glue isn't the strongest, it's definitely strong enough for this job. This was actually really quick and easy to make. I mean, I know it still looks like an upside down can, but once it's spray painted, oh yeah. Well, I have like several more to do, so how about maybe a time lapse? I've run out of the rings, so I will have to step out and grab some more, but I have 6 bells ready to go. And by go, I mean go and get spray painted. My first coat is matte black. I follow this with a light dusting of metallic silver. Lastly, I use 2 different almost empty cans of metallic paint that spit more than spray, but it creates a great patina. Unfortunately, as great as the outside looks, I didn't spray the edge or the insides, and you can see the original can. More matte black to the rescue. The rest of the bells are painted first on the inside, then the outside. Lesson learned. Check out how the bells turned out. I really like the effect of spray painting the matte black and then adding that silver. Just the way it looked, like it was a really light mist of silver, but I just loved how that looked. And then I just added some other, like my half can that's kind of dying out, so it's like just spritzing out, but it just turned out so good. Now, I know that if they get a little bent and banged up over like time, they'll look even better, because the part where I hammered, I really like how that looks. So I'm not really worried about when I store them that they'll get banged up. I think it'll just make them look better. And I didn't use the Perrier can because the top just didn't dome out really nice. So I don't recommend trying out the Perrier cans at all. But I do have some ribbon. I have my tension rod, and I have garland. So it's time to make something pretty. I added ornaments, ribbon, and a whole lot of fussing, and that looks dramatically festive. I love it. Making bells from cans is so easy, but if you're thinking that you're not really into spray painting, that you don't like to do that, you can definitely do this with chalk paint. The chalk paint will stick great to the can and you'll get a really beautiful result as well. Oh, I'm so happy with that, but I still have the rest of the house to decorate. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about using, I don't know, cans to make bells, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye. A couple of videos ago, I made this jumbo garland, doorway garland, okay. A couple of videos ago, I made this jumbo doorway garland. No, that's not even what? A couple of videos ago, I made this doorway garland. Why can't I say it? A couple of videos ago, I made this doorway garland with, yeah, that was totally right. A couple of videos ago, I made this jumbo, no, it's not jumbo. A couple of videos ago, I made this doorway garland with. Oh, it's really raining now because like I just set up, like I really do have to go out. Yeah. Just when I said, okay, cool, I'm going to step out, rain.